And lastly, the fire will release the seeds out of the redwood cones. Reference that later. Seems to get off track around here. So yes, they were designing. Yes, once steam engines were designed, narrow gauge railroading became incredibly popular because it's incredibly cheaper to do. With narrower train tracks, you don't have to clear as much land to put your railroad down. It makes it much easier to build. You can also have time.
Alright, you wanna go, let's go down, let's go.
While you're doing so, I'll tell you about something you should be looking at. You all pay attention to the left-hand side of the train. You will all be presented with this last car of this train is going to stop here. Now on the left-hand side, the tracks continue in that little flat spot you can see up there. Ladies and gentlemen, the cleanest. I hope you all enjoyed this trip today and maybe even learned something. If you did, remember my name is Old Train Station here. Please remain seated until you hear one short whistle blast. That's because we gotta line up this antique steam locomotive perfectly with that old water tower so we can fill it up with 700 more gallons of water for the next trip. So we might move back and forth a couple of times. So please remain seated.